Hi friends, I'm Miss Nikki. I'm the Senior Youth Development Coordinator for the Northern York County branch of the YMCA of Southern Maine. And tonight I'm going to read you The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. I've made cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, says Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your Grandma, said Tom. And they look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your Grandma's, said Peter, and smell good too. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your Grandma's, says Joy. And they look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, says Mom, as the doorbell rang. Who could be at the door now? And rang. Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at their cookies on the plate. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. Well, wait, said Sam. Let's see who's at the door. Maybe some more neighbors? It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. That was a really nice book about sharing. Victoria and Sam started with 12 cookies, and all of their friends got at least 1. And then Grandma came and brought more, right? So that was nice to share. What's your favorite kind of cookie? Do you like peanut butter cup cookies? Do you like oatmeal raisin? Or do you like chocolate chip like me? Chocolate chip is my favorite. Enjoy the story, and I hope that you come back and visit us again. Bye.